Hi, welcome to PM Lectures. So, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம மெக்கானிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் இருக்கக்கூடிய தேர்ட் இயர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்காக தெர்மல் இன்ஜினியரிங் 2 சப்ஜெக்ட்ல இருந்து யூனிட் நம்பர் 3 ஸ்டீம் டர்பைன்ஸ்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் MCQ கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தான் நம்ம இன்னைக்கு டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போறோம். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு நம்ம யூனிட் 3ல இருந்து 25 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வந்து டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போறோம். The first question is the steam turbine is rotary machine, reciprocating machine, rotodynamic machine, none of the above. The right answer is it's a rotodynamic machines. Question number 2, the thermodynamic efficiency of the steam turbine is less than steam engine, less than diesel engine, less than petrol engine. So moon answer mein thappu. The right answer is none of the above. Third question, from inlet to exit of a steam nozzle, the pressure normally is decreases. Question number 5, from inlet to exit moving blade, in the case of reaction turbine, the pressure is decreases. Question number 6, in an impulse turbine, steam expands in nozzle only, in the moving blade only, in the fixed and moving blades, none of the above. The right answer is nozzle only. Seventh question, in the reaction turbine, steam expands nozzle only, in the moving blades only, in the fixed and moving blades, none of the above. For the particularly reaction turbine, steam expands in both moving and fixed blades. Question number 8, a simple impulse turbine consists of one set of nozzle and one set of moving blade, two set of nozzle and one set of moving blades, one set of fixed and moving blades, none of the above. The right answer is one set of nozzle and one set of moving blade. Okay. Ninth question, the tangential component of velocity is called tangential is with a whirl velocity. Tenth question, the axial component of whirl velocity is relative, flow, whirl, absolute. The right answer is with a flow velocity, axial component. The stage efficiency is also called as is a grass efficiency. Stage efficiency is a grass efficiency. Question number 12, the blade efficiency is called as a diagram efficiency. 13th question, the stage efficiency of the steam turbine is also given by the stage efficiency. Right formula is answer C, nozzle efficiency and blade efficiency. The overall efficiency of a steam turbine is given by the overall efficiency is by efficiency of nozzle, efficiency of stage and efficiency of mechanical. The right answer. The blade speed ratio is given by, the right answer is blade velocity by whirl velocity. Question number 16, in a velocity compounded impulse steam turbine, steam expands in one set of steam nozzle only, not more than one or fixed or moving, only one set of nozzles only. In a pressure compounded impulse steam turbine, expands in nozzle and fixed blade, not in a moving blade, only nozzles and fixed blades only. Answer A is right. Question number 18, in a pressure compounded impulse steam turbine, pressure drop over each ring of moving blades remains constant. In a pressure compounded impulse steam turbine, as compared to velocity compounding, the number of stages is more. The degree of reaction is defined as enthalpy of drop in moving blades divided by total enthalpy drop. Number 21, a percent reaction turbine, the degree of reaction is 50%. Question number 22, for a percent reaction turbine, the condition for maximum efficiency is given by U by U V1 is equal to cos alpha. This is the right answer. Number 23, in throttle governing of steam turbine, the pressure of steam is regulated in only throttle governing. Question number 24, in steam control governing steam turbine, mass flow rate of steam is regulated. Okay. Question number 25, in bypass governing of steam turbine, the additional steam is supplied. The use of bypass governing. Okay. So guys, so இன்னைக்கு நம்ம steam turbines-ல வந்து 25 questions வந்து நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். So next வீடியோல வந்து யூனிட் நம்பர் 4ல இருக்கக்கூடிய co-generation இருக்கக்கூடிய important MCQ question வந்து நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம். Thanks for watching PM Lectures.